We're here with Benjamin and Annie.
We're about to do light as a feather, stiff as a board.
Ready?
With Benjamin. Okay, Ben.
Light as a feather, stiff as a board. Light as a feather, stiff as a board. Light as a feather, stiff as a board.
It worked! That thing always works. What do you have to say about it, Ben? No, go ahead. You look absolutely stunned.
That was amazing. Magic! You were just smiling. Of course, we turned the camera
Who's our
on.
guy?
Oh. Look at you standing, Benjamin. Look at you standing. All by yourself.
Look at you drooling all by yourself, huh?
Is Annie your friend? Annie, hold my child. Benjamin, you're so strong.
Hey.
He's not a dog or a cat.
There you go.
Or
Eyes up
whatever
here, okay?
the hell kind of animal. What kind of animal do you do?
Squirrels. Other rodents.
Okay. Is she
What do you have to say
funny?
about that?
Is she
Benjamin?
funny?
You look confused. Alright. That's a wrap.
The end. Say bye, Nana and Papa. This video was for you.